Former U.S. Attorney General Eric Holder is keeping an eye on potential indictments of former President Donald Trump. He's specifically watching the case in Georgia, where President Trump was caught on tape asking Georgia officials to change the election results in his favor. Holder told theGrio exclusively recently.
I think the evidence, as I've read about in the newspapers and in the media, is pretty compelling. And my guess would be that an indictment ultimately will be returned. The tape of his phone call asking for 11,780 votes. I understand there's another recording of another conversation he had with somebody else who was a Georgia state official. I think all of that indicates that a case ultimately will be brought in Georgia against the former president.
So do you believe that it's feasible that he will be indicted and there could be jail time for that?
I think everybody has to be held accountable. And given the magnitude of what it is that I think he ultimately will be charged with, I think jail has to be certainly considered a possibility. But that's way down the road. I mean, I think, there's a lot between now and when a determination is made as to whether or not he has to go to jail.